Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Confirm your Nuki model and that batteries show at least 20% because low power disrupts pairing. Once done, open the Nuki app and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Make sure no VPN or Wi-Fi isolation interferes. Bring the phone within 1 to 2 meters of the lock and, if present, remove the cover so the LED is visible. Now tap Add Device in the app to start discovery and let the app search for your lock. Once the lock appears, select it and follow the app prompts. You may enter the device PIN or scan the QR code on the underside. The app and lock exchange keys over Bluetooth. Watch for LED status changes and stay still. Moving the lock or stepping out of range interrupts the process. After pairing, you'll be prompted to name the lock and assign a primary user. Set auto lock timing now so behavior is defined. Finish the setup and let the app synchronize policies. You finish by validating operation. Use the app to lock and unlock and then try the physical key to confirm mechanical alignment. If you want remote access, add the Nuki bridge or enable cloud features. Otherwise, leave local Bluetooth only for security. Make sure auto lock and permissions work as expected. If something goes wrong, power cycle the lock by removing batteries and restart your phone, then repeat pairing. This clears transient errors and usually resolves stuck connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.